Have you ever wondered why some families stay wealthy for generations while others struggle to hold on to their fortunes? Here's a staggering fact. 70% of wealthy families lose their wealth by the second generation and 90% by the third. Building generational wealth isn't just about making money. It's about planting the seeds of prosperity that will benefit your family tree for decades. By the end of this video, you will know 10 actionable strategies, each packed with real-life examples, facts, and figures. All these points have the capability to create a legacy that lasts for generations. So, like and subscribe to the Wealthy channel and let's get started. Number 1. Start early, start smart. Have you ever heard the saying, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago? The second best time is now. Building generational wealth is no different. Let's take example of two persons. First person, who began investing in an index fund at age 20 with just $100 per month. By the time he turned 50, his portfolio had grown to over $400,000 thanks to the magic of compounding. Now contrast this with second person, who started at 35. Despite investing twice as much, he barely hit $200,000. What do you think? What is the difference? It's time. People waste their prime earning years overspending, procrastinating, or falling into the trap of living paycheck to paycheck, leaving little for their future generations. Small, consistent actions compound over time. Start early, start smart, and teach your kids these habits so they inherit not just wealth but the wisdom to sustain it. Number 2, invest in land. Land is one of the few assets that doesn't depreciate. As Mark Twain famously said, buy land, they're not making it anymore. Land isn't just an investment, it's a legacy. Start by researching affordable areas with growth potential, like regions near developing infrastructure or expanding cities. The Earth isn't growing any larger, but the population keeps increasing. It is a finite resource. Buying and holding land ensures your family has a tangible, appreciating asset for generations. Land is one of the most timeless and valuable assets you can invest in. It's not just a piece of dirt, it's a store of value that appreciates over time. Number 3, build ultimate trust. Trust is the glue of life. It's the most essential ingredient in effective communication. Yet, many families fail to build trust when it comes to money. They hide finances, avoid tough conversations, or fail to involve the next generation in managing wealth. A successful entrepreneur who kept his financial dealings secret from his children. When he passed, his family was left clueless about managing his assets, leading to mismanagement and the eventual depletion of their inheritance. The mistake, a lack of transparency and trust. To resolve this, create a culture of open communication around wealth in your family. Share your financial goals, teach financial literacy to your children, and involve them in decision-making. Trust is an essential element in every part of life, whether it is in personal or professional. Number 4, buy, borrow, die. The concept is simple. By appreciating assets, borrow against them instead of selling, and pass them down tax efficiently. Take the example of billionaire investor Elon Musk, who reportedly borrows against his stocks to fund his lifestyle without triggering taxable income. Many people, however, make the mistake of selling their assets for short-term gains, depleting their wealth while incurring hefty taxes. The effect? They not only lose out on compounding growth, but also leave little for their heirs after taxes and poor financial planning. Stop thinking like a spender and start thinking like an investor. The rich leverage their assets to create more wealth while legally reducing tax liabilities. If you're not using this strategy, you're not just leaving money on the table, you're giving it away. Number 5, use leverage. Leverage is the secret sauce that magnifies wealth creation, yet most people misunderstand or misuse it. Robert Kiyosaki, in Rich Dad, Poor Dad, states, "The rich use debt to leverage investments and grow cash flow. The poor and middle class use debt to buy liabilities that make them poorer." Good debt is leveraged to acquire appreciating or income-generating assets like real estate, businesses, or stocks. Bad debt funds depreciating items like cars, gadgets, or unnecessary luxuries. If you invest $10,000 using an additional $10,000 on margin in a portfolio growing at 8% annually, you amplify your gains. Leverage isn't just about borrowing, it's about borrowing smartly. It multiplies your wealth-building potential but requires discipline and planning. Number 6, build business or income stream. Building a business or creating multiple income streams is one of the most reliable ways to establish generational wealth. Shift from the mindset of being an employee to becoming a creator or investor. Identify skills or hobbies that can generate income streams, be it freelancing, content creation, or launching a small business. Use evenings or weekends to develop your idea, reinvest profits, and scale gradually. A job pays the bills, but a business or income stream builds wealth. Teach your children the entrepreneurial mindset so they grow up understanding the importance of creating value. Generational wealth is built by those who dare to step off the hamster wheel and create something that lasts. Number 7. Invest in precious metals. Precious metals like gold, silver, and platinum have been the cornerstone of wealth preservation for centuries. Precious metals should be part of a balanced investment portfolio. Allocate a portion of your savings into gold or silver, particularly in times of economic uncertainty. For example, during the 2020 market crash, gold surged by over 25%, offering a safe return for investors who held it as a hedge. Teaching your family to invest in precious metals ensures they have a resilient foundation for wealth, regardless of market volatility. Number 8. Invest in index stocks. Investing in low-cost index funds that track the performance of large market indices like the S&P 500 or global indices. The beauty of index investing is its simplicity and its ability to track overall market growth, which has historically risen over the long run. For example, if you invested $10,000 in the S&P 500 in 2000, your investment would have grown to nearly $50,000 by 2020, despite the ups and downs of the economy. Consistency is key. Invest regularly, focus on the long term, and let compounding work its magic. The truth is, building generational wealth isn't about getting rich quickly. It's about making smart, steady decisions over time. Number 9. Insurances. Life insurance plays a crucial role in wealth preservation and passing on financial security to future generations. As financial expert Tony Robbins says in Money, master the game. The purpose of life insurance is not to make your heirs wealthy, but to keep them from being poor. Failing to plan for the worst and neglecting the importance of insurance in securing both wealth and peace of mind. Life insurance isn't an if, it's a when. It's about securing your family's financial future, even when you're no longer around. Neglecting this crucial tool is like leaving your family unprepared for an inevitable storm. Protect your legacy today so your children and grandchildren are equipped to thrive tomorrow. Number 10. Protect and give it. Building generational wealth isn't just about accumulating assets. It's about preserving them and using them to uplift future generations. Not protecting wealth through proper planning, including wills, trusts, and tax-efficient strategies. The effect? Wealth is lost, the legacy is fragmented, and future generations are left scrambling instead of building on a solid foundation. Don't just build wealth, protect it and share it in ways that create a legacy. Don't miss to create a will. Neglecting this crucial step is not only irresponsible. Secure your wealth, protect it, and pass it forward. Your legacy depends on it. Success leaves clues, and the wealthy have plenty to teach us. From playing the long game to leveraging debt wisely and embracing failure, these lessons can transform your life if you apply them. I believe knowledge is the foundation of success. If this video helped you, like it, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe for more insights. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.